Would you believe me if I told you that this bath bomb is kind of like a 3-in-1? And it's kind of funny and ironic because when we first came out with this bath bomb, it was supposed to be something super like immature and fun for the kids. But now looking at it, it's kind of like the most practical bath bomb that we have and one of my favorites. This batch in particular kind of got messed up because we piped them a little bit too soon, so the frosting is lifted off of the bath bomb, but I think it looks cooler this way. It kind of looks like it's coming up like a water fountain. So for the first part of this bath bomb, obviously it's just a bath bomb. The bottom part of it, which is blue, is going to dissolve in the water like all of the other bath bombs do. And you can submerge this whole thing in here. You can do whatever you like, but this is personally how I like to do it. I like to remove the toy and the frosting off of the physical bath bomb. I'll just drop the bath bomb in the water and let it do its thing, and then I'll mess with the frosting like crazy. And you don't really have to do this. I just do it because it's so satisfying and it bubbles up. And the consistency gets so soft under the water. It literally feels like you're just playing with frosting. And the best part is, again, it does bubble up, so it's not going to like leave clunks on the bottom of your tub. And obviously, because this isn't just a normal frosting, it actually is like a bubble bath additive. And so what it's doing other than keeping me entertained is it's actually forming bubbles in my tub. And you can see when I show you guys like a scan of the water, you can't really tell that it's blue. It just has like a really thick white layer on top. And you can even take this to the next step further if you have jets in your tub and turn them on, because look at what happens. We went from just having a bath bomb in the water to having literal bubble bath, and there's just like this thick pile of bubbles on top. So this is like the second part to this bath bomb, is that it's a bubble bath, which I love because I feel like the one con about bubble baths is they're not colored, they're just bubbles. Now the third and final part to this bath bomb that I think is just so fun is the actual toy on top. Not only is it so adorable and you could just keep it and do whatever you want with it, but it's actually interactive. It squirts out water if you just submerge it under the water and hold it, which I think is so fitting because it's an elephant. I do wish that the water squirted out from the trunk and not the bottom, but it's okay, we can't control that. So that's what I mean when I say that this bath bomb is like a 3-in-1. And after all that, you're left with the prettiest shade of blue in the water. This bath bomb smells good, it feels good, it's so fun and interactive. I know that it's technically for kids, but come on, I think everyone would like this. Let me know what you guys think.